In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio in DaVinci Resolve. So if you want to change your video, for example, from a landscape video into a portrait video, then we can do this by changing the aspect ratio. Now, the first thing you want to do is just open your DaVinci Resolve project and make sure you're on the Edit tab in the bottom navigation. Now, in the top left-hand side, make sure you have the media pool selected and open. You can open this just by left-clicking it like so, and you should have a file in here called Timeline 1. Now all we need to do is right click on this timeline, click on timeline settings, and next to timeline resolution, this is where we can change the aspect ratio. Now before you can select a different option from this list, we need to uncheck the option where it says use project settings, and now you'll be able to select a different aspect ratio from the drop down menu. Now if you want to change this from a landscape to a portrait video, you need to make sure that use vertical resolution is checked and enabled, and that way when we click again on the drop down arrow, it's effectively going to reverse the landscape and the vertical numbers to go and create this vertical orientation. So now I can go and select 1080 by 920 from the list, go and press OK. And as you can see, this has now changed it into a portrait video. And if you wanted to change it back into a landscape video, then we can uncheck this vertical resolution and you can go and select another output or aspect ratio from the list below. And another important thing that you want to do is click on the output tab in the top here and make sure use timeline settings for output scaling is checked and enabled, and that way when you go and export your project, it's going to use the same output resolution. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.